Have I ever mentioned how much I like growing variegated things? Maybe I have, maybe I have not. This is a Tricolor variegated. I think it's probably named that because of the 3 different colors on the leaves. This is growing in hydroponics, half-gallon mason jar. I'll show you that down here in a second. But I have really enjoyed watching this one do its thing. I've always noticed that some of the variegated plants that grow, they don't get very big. Not quite sure why that is, but I think I might try to cross some with some bigger plants and see what I get from it. Because I'd like to grow some great big ones in soil. Why? Because I like big plants, and I like variegated things, as you've probably noted already. Fascinating, absolutely fascinating. Love just watching these evolve over time. Check out this flower up here. Even the flowers are interesting. Let's look down here at the roots. So, half-gallon mason jar, expanded clay, 3-inch net cup. Oh, it's a wide mount for a 3-inch net cup. And you keep topping off these nutrients. I'm a little bit higher than I normally go. I usually don't go much higher than this. That allows the airspace up here for these roots, the air roots, to get what they need. And then the nutrients are down here. Sometimes these roots will fill in and get pretty thick and very difficult to keep it watered enough or nutrients enough in it. So I'll cut them off and I'll fill up nutrients and they'll just fill right back in and grow. It works so well, just like any other plant does. You cut off the roots, as long as it's healthy, it will continue to grow excellently. I just wanted to share this, and I will save seeds off of these, and I will share those seeds with those that like variegated plants. You find me mostly on Instagram doing trades and shares, and some groups that I actually do trades with as well. Just thought I'd share this with you because I love it, and if anybody else does, hey, you get to enjoy it too.